Does your tumble dryer do this instead of this when you try to start it? Then watch this short video for a common cause and a simple fix. So as you can see, when I try to start my dryer, nothing is happening. The common cause for this is that your lint tray is full. So all you will need to do is empty the tray. On this model the tray is on top, so I'll pull it out like so. Oh wow, I'm surprised the tray is so full because I emptied it not that long ago. I have a trash bag ready for the discarded lint. I'm trying to clean the tray with one hand while holding the camera in the other, so please excuse that. Okay, so some of the lint here is stuck to the tray, so afterwards I'm going to take it outside so I can clean it properly. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to slide the tray back in place for now. Okay, so let's try and start it again. Yay! Success! If you found this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you're interested in hearing more tips and fixes and reviews.